A 10-kilometer-long meteorite can easily pass through the atmosphere of the White Devil season, erasing the dinosaurs that have dominated the ecosystem for 1.61 years from the Earth. When this number increases to 5 times or even 10 times, what will happen? Will the satellites still survive? Note that this is not an assumption, but a space environment in another system. At the same time, it is also the real star that often appears in many science fiction novels. In the fantasy world, the star is often depicted as the home of extraterrestrial civilization or the goal of human exploration and colonization in the future. In addition to the distance, there are many mysteries that the system itself brings. In reality, the star is only 12 light-years away from the Sun. It is a star of the same type as the Sun. Although it is slightly smaller in size and mass, the slower nuclear fusion rate also greatly extends its lifespan. This can be seen by observing the daily activities of the star. Although it is in the early stages of its life cycle, it is actually nearly 100 billion years old. If this is the case, then it should have experienced most of the time since the birth of the universe. Imagine, once the star in the system exists, how far the wisdom civilization will develop over a long period of time. By using the mirror speed law to analyze the small movement of the star, astronomers announced for the first time in 2012 that there are 4 stars in the orbit of the sky. What is marked in the image is the approximate position of the orbit of the 4 stars. The set is in the green area. As a comparison, we can put the orbit of the solar system at the bottom. Yes, the low-quality Tian-Tsang-Wu pulls into its orbit set. That is to say, if the golden star, which is covered by heavy atmosphere, is in the orbit of Tian-Tsang-Wu, it may become a green boat. This is an exciting discovery. From the perspective of the set, we first exclude the 2 stars close to Tian-Tsang-Wu, like water stars. They should be in a hot environment all day long. In contrast, the stars of E and F are in the range of a belt. Among them, the position of the star E is similar to that of the golden star in the solar system. That is to say, it may be able to survive, and it may cause a loss of control like the golden star. The star F is more complicated because it may be the closest to the belt, and it won't last long. As the brightness of the mother star increases, in less than 11 years, the star F will become hotter. It sounds long, but in fact, it took at least 3 billion years. That is to say, in the 11 years left for the evolution of the star F, there may be no miracle. And this is not the most famous discovery, because we found that around Tian-Tsang-Wu, there is still a lot of dust and comets. Its density has reached 10 times that of our solar system. In theory, the system will have countless astronomical meteorites hitting each star. This inevitable, frequent destructive collision may cause life to completely lose the opportunity to evolve. But even so, we are still optimistic. Because in a billion years, anything we can imagine can happen, as long as we have the courage to look forward to the day when humans visit.